Case number 6. Case 6, where case of line charging admittance. Case of line charging admittance. So the line charging admittance offered by any transmission line charging admittance offered by any transmission line is directly added to the diagonal element. It is same as case number 4, case of shunt admittance, which is directly added to the diagonal element. Now, one more question here: why it is only added to the diagonal element? The line charging admittance is directly added to the diagonal elements. So here one more question for your homework is you have to find out why the line charging admittance is directly added to the diagonal element. Clear? So they will calculate one example which cover almost 4 to 5 cases which we have studied. So write down the example number. Yes, example number 5. Formulate Y-bus matrix. Yes, just write down the statement of example. Formulate Y-bus matrix for given network. Formulate Y-bus matrix for given network. Just draw the diagram. And 4. And data given as for the line and its impedance, which is in per unit. So between line number 1 and 2, it is given 0.25 plus 1 J. Between line number 1 and 3, it is 0.20 plus 0.8 J. Then between line 1 and 4, it is 0.30 plus 1.2 J. Then again between between bus number 2 and 3, 0 plus 0.5 J, where the transformer is connected with transformation ratio of 1:1.02. I will show you the transformer here between bus number 2 and 3. First, you have to just write down the data. Then, between bus number 3 and 4 is same as line 1, 2. That means 0.25 plus 1J. One more thing is given that consider the shunt admittance offered by the shunt admittance offered by line number 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 is minus J 0.16. These all the values are in per unit. Okay, all the values are in. Okay. The transformer between bus number 2 and 3. Transformation ratio. Also, it is given that consider the transmission line model phi for bus number 2 or line 2, 3 is placed at non-unity side of transformer. Non-unity side of transformer. So here it is, the pi model is given for line 2, 3. So first of all, what you have to do? Yes, for such kind of example, what you have to do? Yes, anyone from your side, from where you will start this example?
टाइप કહો છે
Type. So, from where you will start the example?
ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ સર્કિટમાં એને કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું પહેલા.
No.
Transformer remove કરીને પેલા Y bus
Yes, very good. You have to calculate the Y bus with considering or removing these line number 2 and 3 from the network. Clear? So after removing of this line from this network, you have to calculate the Y11. But before that, you have to calculate, these all are the given in impedance. So you have to calculate the admittance which is offered by this transmission line. So first of all, just calculate the admittance offered by each transmission line. So yes, what is the value of Y12? Is given 1 divided by Z12. The value of Z12 is 0.25 plus 1J. Yes, what is the answer for this solution of this? Just quick. What is the answer for this conversation? The final value of Y12. And similarly, you can calculate for Y13, then Y14, clear? Then Y23, and y34. Yes, what is the value of y12? Quick, just answer fast. What is the value of y12?
0.235.
Yes, very good. It is 0.235 minus point.
Minus
Yeah, very good. 94J. Very good. Yes. Similarly, you have to calculate for y13, 14, 23, and 34. Yes. See, such kind of example is not directly given in your any book. I have created this example by myself. So you have to calculate this example for the direct solution is not given in any book. So you have to calculate. Okay? Thus, value of y13. Again, it is 1 divided by z13, which is, what is the value of z13? It is, yes, 0.20 plus 0.8j. Yes, answer of this
0.295.
minus
wait. Okay.
1.29.
Wait. Kind of. It is
0.295.
what was the
0.29.
yeah wait what was the value of y12? It is
0.235
235.
minus 0.94J.
0.94J, very good. And value of y13, it is
0.293
very good. 0.293 minus
1.17J.
1766J. Then next y14, which is equal to 0.19.
0.196
Yeah, very good. Then
minus J 0.7848.
7.843J.
0.7848.
7848. Okay.
48.
Okay. Then what is the value of y23? Yes.
Minus 2J.
Minus 2J or 0 minus 2J. Very good. Then the value of y34.
Same as 1y12.
Yes, very good. Is same as y12. 0.235 minus 0.94J. So clear? First step, you have to just convert all these impedance into admittance by converting into polar and rectangular form. Clear? Then after, next step is you have to consider this where the shunt admittance is given between line number 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. These all three lines there is a problem in with this Microsoft Journal. Let me save it. Okay. Yes. Just remember the case of shunt admittance. So just think on it. What happens if the shunt admittance is given by or offered by the transmission line? At that time, what you have to do? Just remember the case. I'll write the values of this. parameter. Yes, what you will have to consider if the shunt admittance is given to you. Just read the case 4 where the value of y0 is given. What you have to do for this case? Yes, anyone? I hope, I think you all have the data which I have given. Microsoft Journal. Okay. Yes. What will happen if the admittance is given? Yes, anyone? The admittance for offered by the transmission line is given to you. Bus number 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the transformer is connected. Bus number 2 and 3 line. So it is given that the shunt admittance between bus number 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4 is given as minus 0.16 J. So you have to calculate. I have said that if the shunt admittance is given, then it will be directly added to the diagonal element. That means this shunt element. So you have to calculate y10. Let me show you the shunt admittance on this side. Shunt admittance is given to you with the value of, now shunt admittance offered by this transmission line 1, 2 is given as minus J.16. So it will be equally divided on both the side as we have seen in earlier case. So at this side it is minus 0.08 J. Similarly here also it is minus 0.08 J. Same way for line 13, here it is minus J 0.8 J. Similarly here it is minus J 0.8 J. Clear? And for line 14, shunt admittance is equally divided. Why it is equally divided for this network? Yes, can anyone answer? Why it is equally divided both the side?
Pi network, sir.
Yes, because we have considered a line model as a pi model. Line model as a pi model. So our shunt admittance is equally divided both the side. Clear? Just draw this diagram for simple understanding. Clear? This is your series and shunt 1 and shunt 2. Clear? So this shunt element is equally divided on particular buses. So you have to calculate y10. So now from this network, what is the value of y10? Why we need to calculate y10? Because we have to calculate y11. In that y11, we have the value of y10. Yes, who will help me to write down the equation of y11 from this diagram?
plus y12
Yeah, y12, then
plus
plus
y13
y14
y13 and y14. Yes, clear. The bus number 1, which is connected through the transmission line to the other bus. That means it is y12, y13 and y14, and also this shunt admittance. So now we have already calculated this y12, 13 and 14. Now we have to calculate the value of y10. So we will give the answer, the value of y10. That means shunt admittance at bus number 1. Shunt, or we can say total shunt admittance at bus number 1. Yes, we will give the answer of this total admittance at bus number 1. Yes,
0.16.
0.16. Then another answer.
minus j
Minus
0.24.
0.08.
0108
See, it is total. That means this.
0.24.
Yes, very good. We will give this answer. 0.24. Yes. This is 1. The summation of all total shunt admittance 2 and 3. So you have to write, if you want to write in equation form, then first of all write y12 dash by 2. That means this admittance which is offered by this transmission line 1 and 2. Then y13 dash by 2 and y14 dash by 2. Dash means shunt admittance. Dash means shunt admittance. So for y12 dash, it is minus 0.08j plus it is, or you can write, if you want to write all the value, then it is 16j by 2 plus minus 0.16j by 2 again plus minus 0.16j by 2. Clear? So what is the final answer? It is minus 0.24j. So just substitute all the values for the diagonal 1 element. What is the final value for y11? So y10 is minus j 0.24j. y12 is 0.235 minus 0.94 plus value of y13 is 0.2933 minus j 1.1766 plus y14 is 0.1955 minus j 0.784. Clear? So what is the final answer for y11? Yes. Final answer for y11. Similarly, we have to calculate the second diagonal element y22. The equation for y22 is y20 second number bus. Initially, we have disconnect this transmission line from this network. So it is only y20 and y21 or 12. Yes, again we have to calculate the value of y20. We have already the value of y12. Then we have to substitute this for y22. Yes, what is the final answer for y11? Y11 is equal to, take your time, just give me the final answer.
Sir, 0.725.
Yes, yes, very good. It is 0.723. Yeah, minus J.
3.14.
Yes, very good, very good. Nice. 1409. So this is your final answer for diagonal element 1. That means y11. Yes, now as we have already calculated the value of y10, similarly we have to calculate the value of y0. Now who will give the answer for value of y20? First understand what do you mean or what is y20 represent. Y20 is represent that a total admittance or total shunt admittance connected to the bus number 2. So what is the value of total shunt admittance at bus number 2? See, look in, refer the diagram at bus number 2.
0.08 J.
Yes, very good. It is only, yeah. Or if you want to write in equation form, then it is y12 dash by 2, which is minus j 0.16 by 2, j 0.08 j. Yeah. So yes, here you can write y20 is equal to 0 is equal to, is already you have derived, it is 0.235 minus j 0.94. So what is the final answer for y22? Yes, final answer for y22.
0.235
Just wait, I will write point, yes, 0.235
minus 1.02 J.
1.02 j. Very good. Yes, so the final answer for second diagonal element y22 is, next we have to calculate the value of the other diagonal elements, say y33. So yes, who will help me to write down the equation for y33 from the diagram? Yes, y33 is equal, yes, y30, then
plus y1
Y31.
y
31
or 31. Okay, 1 3 or 3 1. Yes, can write both, not both, but
y
anyway. Y 34. Here also again, yes, here also again we will not consider this transmission line as we have initially considered as disconnected from this network. Okay, yes, clear? Let me check. Yes, 1 2 and 3. Now what is the value of y30? Yes, just refer 30. Yes, it is 0.08 j. Then we have the value of y13 is 0.933 minus j 1.176 plus y3, yes, 0.235 minus j 90. Okay, so What is the final value for Y33?
सर वहाँ प्लस हाउस है -0.086J प्लस
Wait, where? Oh, final answer for Y33. Yes. Final answer.
5283.
Yes. Point
5283.
0.5283. Then
Minus 2.196.
1966. Very good. This is what your third diagonal element Y33 for this network. Yes. Then Y44 is equal to Y40 plus Y41 plus Y43. Again, yes, who will give the answer? What is the value of shunt admittance offered by or total shunt admittance at bus number 4?
0.08.
Yes, it is
08.
0.08J minus. Okay. Then 14 is 0.1955 minus J 0.7843 plus 543 is equal to 0.235 minus 0.94. Yes. What is the final answer for diagonal element Y44?
Point 0.43 minus J 1.8.
Yes, 0.43. Consider the 4-digit after point for accuracy in answer.
0.4305
Then minus.
minus J 1.8048.
Yes, very good. 1.8043. Yeah, very good. So we have calculated the whole network without this transmission line. Clear up to this? So next,
yes sir
next we have to consider the line 2-3 is connected in the network. So now, what is happen if we consider that line number 2-3, line number 2-3 is connected into this network? Yes. What are the parameters which affected if we are considering this transmission line into the network? Yes. Can anyone help me to understand what are the parameters will get affected if we consider the transmission line
Y20
and 3 into this network? Yes. What are the parameters? What are the elements?
Y20
It is Y22 first. Then
Y33.
Y23. Then Y32 and Y33. These all four elements are get affected or changed if we add this transmission line with transformer into the network. Okay. So now just before calculating these, just remember the case of transformer. As I have said earlier, the transformer is one is like this. So we'll give the answer where the transformer is connected on which bus, as the pi model is at the right side of the transformer. So where is the transformer? Transformer is connected on which bus?
Second.
Bus number 2. Clear? And so we can consider I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. Why is it so I is equal to 2 and j equal to 3? I have already told you why I have considered I is equal to 2 and j equal to 3. I and j are bus number. So, yes,
लिस्ट नंबर હોય તે I
yes, very
લેવાનો.
good. Yes, for least number, for calculating such kind of problem, for the least number, we will consider I is equal to 2 and for higher number is j equal to 3. Here, okay. So, just calculate the value of y22. And one more thing I have said that the transformer on which bus is connected, where we have to consider the equation of a square. Equation of a square. So just write down the equation for y22 with the case of transformer. Yes. What is the equation for y22? As the transformer is connected on bus number 2, so you have to consider the term with a square in this equation. So yes, what is the value of or equation for y22? Yes, equation for y22 is
A square into
very good. It is a square into
y20
yes, very good, y20 plus
y21 not 1 here.
then
2 3
plus y23, but the second term is a into a minus y. Very good. Yes. What is the value of a for this case? Yes. The value of a is equal to, who will give answer?
1.0.
Yes. Is transformation ratio 1.02 by 1. So it is 1.02. Very good. Wait. One call. Sorry for the interruption. Yes. So you have to calculate this y22. What is the value of y20? See the diagram. Shunt admittance offered by bus number 2 or total shunt admittance connected at
minus
bus
minus
number 2. Yeah, minus point.
16.
See the bus number 2. Here it is only minus j 0.08. So a square means 1.02 whole square into minus say 0.08j, then again plus is 1.02 into bracket 1.02 minus 1. What is the value of y23? Yes, value of y23.
minus 2j.
Wait, just calculate the Yes. Yes. What is the final value for y22? Yes. Final value for y22. Yes. Value of y22. Then you have to calculate.
Minus
Yes. Minus
0.124 J.
0.124 J. Very good. Then you have to calculate y23. Yes. What is the equation for y23? Just see the refer the case of transformer. What is the value of y23?
A y
Yes, very good. It is A into y23. So the value of A is 1.02 and y23 is equal to minus 2j. Yes,
सर माइनस ए नहीं आ रहा है
is minus
AY23
minus A y23. Only y23. Yes, it is A y23, not minus A. Okay. Yeah. Yes. What is the value of this? Is y23 is equal to
2.0.
2.04 minus 2.0. Yes, very good. Yes, which is same as y32. Clear? Now, what is the final value for this y33? Yes, the second equation with including transformer effect or considering the transformer at between two buses. So what is the value of y33? Or equation for, first of all, just write down the equation for y33. Yes, it is must have to remember these equations. Otherwise, you are not able to solve this example. Yes, equation for
A square y3.
a square we have already considered. So the second equation is yes,
y30
y30. Yeah, very good. Y30
y33
Plus y23.
yeah 1 minus a into
y33
y23 or 32. Yes. What is the value of y30? Just see the network value of y30.
0.08
Yeah, minus 0.08. Okay. Okay. Then just substitute the value of, yes, what is the final answer for y33?
minus
minus 0.12
Minus, yes, minus j
0.12
0.12. Very good. So now you have to calculate y22, 23, 32 and 33 based on this, or you can say new, by considering this line is connected into this network. So yes, What is the value of y22 new? Y22 old. What is the value of y22 old? Y22 old.
0.235
Yes, very good.
minus 1.02.
First, just help me to write down the equation for y22 new. We have to consider here y22 old plus, yes, y22 old plus this y23, which is transmission line impedance, then yes, is calculated y22. So the total, here you have to write y22 with transformer, so you will not get confused. Yes, so what is the value of y22 old? It is 0.235 minus 1.02j plus y23. Yes, it is minus j 2.04, which is you have here, plus this y22 with transformer. It is minus 0.124 j. Okay. So finally, you will derive or calculate y22 new for this network including transformer. So what is the final value? Y22. Yes. Same way, I will write the equation for y33, where you have to consider y33 old, that means without transmission line 23, plus y32, which you have derived over here, plus y33 with the effect of transformer. So is the value of y33 old. Y33 old is 0.5283 minus 2.1966 j. T2 you have derived already, 2.04 j. Then with transformer y33 is minus 0.12 j. Here, yes, what is the value of y22 new? Final y22 new. Yes. Don't get confused, just you have to follow the procedure. Just let me repeat it again. You have to just calculate whole example without this transformer. Then after you have to add this diagonal element, or we can say shunt admittance, which is offered by this transmission line, by adding it into the diagonal element. And then after we have considered here the transformer is placed between bus number 2 and 3. So from this network we have to write down the value of I, J and A. So I equal to 2, J equal to 3, and transformation ratio A is equal to 1.02. So from that we have already derived this equation for transformer. So just we need to substitute the value of different parameters which we have already derived. Clear? So yes, value of y22 new. Who will give the answer?
235 minus j 3.184.
Very good. It is 0.235 minus j
3.184.
3.1008. Just cross check the answer. No, you are right. I think it is
184.
180. Very good. Then what is the value of y23 new or 32 new? Is already derived. It is minus 2.04 j. Clear? And the final answer for y33 new. Yes. What is the final value for y33 new? Yes.
minus 0.5283.
What?
Minus 0.5283.
Minus 0.52. It is plus, I think. Point
Sorry, yeah, plus, plus
5283
minus 4.3566.
3566. Very good. Yes. So clear. So no need to write down the whole matrix. You have to just write down all the parameters which you have already derived. Parameters of matrix are y11, yes, y11, 12, 13, 14. Similarly, for 21, these are the same. 2, 3, and 2. For the third, B1, B2, B3, and C4. Same way, you have to calculate for or substitute the value of y fourth element. 41, 42, 43, and y. So this is what your final matrix. Clear? Yes. Hmm.